Have you ever heard of a real-life zombie? Not in movies, but right here on Earth, hidden deep in the rainforests of Thailand. There's a tiny, terrifying fungus called Ophiocordyceps, and it's a master puppeteer. Its target: a humble carpenter ant. Imagine this. A single fungal spore lands on an unsuspecting ant. It's so small, the ant doesn't even notice. But this is no ordinary spore. It burrows inside the ant's body, spreading through its system like a silent invasion. It doesn't go for the stomach or the legs first. No, its primary target is the brain. Slowly but surely, the fungus takes over, hijacking the ant's central nervous system. The ant stops acting like an ant. It abandons its colony, its family, its duties. It's now a puppet, and the fungus is pulling the strings. Its once purposeful movements become erratic. A behavior scientists have chillingly nicknamed the zombie walk. The fungus has a very specific goal. It forces the infected ant to leave the safety of its nest on the forest floor and start climbing. It makes the ant ascend a plant stem, driven by an irresistible, unnatural urge. The fungus knows exactly what it's doing. It needs the perfect conditions to reproduce, the right temperature, the right humidity, and it guides the ant to the exact spot, usually about 25 centimeters off the ground, on the underside of a leaf. Once the ant reaches this designated spot, the fungus delivers its final command. The ant is forced to bite down hard onto the leaf's vein, locking its jaws in a death grip. It's a grip so strong, the ant will remain there even after it dies. This final act secures the fungus's launchpad. With the ant firmly in place, the fungus can finally complete its life cycle. It consumes the ant's insides, using its body as a nutrient-rich incubator. Then, the truly horrifying part begins. A stalk starts to grow, pushing its way out from the back of the dead ant's head. It's a fruiting body, a spire that will eventually release a new generation of spores. When the time is right, this stalk bursts, showering the forest floor below with a cloud of microscopic spores. Each one is a potential new puppeteer, waiting for another unsuspecting ant to walk by. The cycle begins all over again. A single zombie ant can infect an entire colony, creating a macabre graveyard of fungus-controlled puppets. It sounds like something straight out of a science fiction horror movie, doesn't it? But this isn't fiction. It shows just how complex and sometimes terrifying the natural world can be.